Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ronica. If you're new here, please go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell, like, comment, and share. If you're not new here, thanks for watching. Today I'm going to be preparing broad bean stew. So of course for my broad bean stew, I'm going to need broad beans. So this is one can of broad bean. You can use fresh broad bean if you can get it from the tree, but you have to pressure it or you have to cook it for at least an hour. If you pressure it, it might take less, like 15 to 20 minutes. I'm also going to use some spring onion or scallion. I'm also going to use some sweet pepper or bell pepper. You can use red, yellow, green. Green is what I have, so that's what I'm using. I'm going to use some pumpkin. That's optional. You don't have to use pumpkin if you don't want to. I'm going to use one medium-sized onion. I'm going to use 2 tomatoes. I'm also going to use Scotch bonnet pepper. The red one is not hot. It's more flavory, so I'm going to use a little bit of that yellow one. I'm also going to add some thyme. I'm also going to add some garlic and some fresh parsley. If you have dry parsley, you can use your dry parsley also. And I'm also going to use some other dry seasonings. I'm going to use black pepper, salt for taste, and I'm also going to use some all-purpose seasoning. So let's get right into cooking our broad bean stew. So here in my pan I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So now we're going to add our onion and garlic first. You want to do this on low flame. Make sure your flame is low because you don't want it to burn. So you have to make sure your flame is low. Next we're going to add our spring onion. Next we're going to add some bell peppers. And we're going to add the tomato at the same time. Then we're going to add our pumpkin. So now we're going to allow our pumpkins to cook for at least 3 to 4 minutes. Then we're going to add our broad bean. So now we're going to add our broad beans, guys. Remember, you want to keep it on low flame because you don't want it to burn. So now you're going to add the black pepper. This is about a teaspoon of black pepper. You're also going to add some salt. And then we're going to add some all-purpose. We're just going to add the thyme. And then give it a stir. And I'm just adding a small piece of the Scotch bonnet pepper. And then we're just going to add 1/4 cups of water. I'm just going to add my flavoring pepper right there, and I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook down for at least 3 minutes, and then I'm going to just serve it with some white rice. So this is my broad bean stew, guys. I'm just gonna add the fresh chopped parsley. So that's it for my broad bean stew, guys. I'm just going to serve this with some white rice. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.